Westway Park is one of the system's advanced technology centers. The whole concept is really kind of designed to get students used to a workforce or work area type environment. What we attempt to do is to train students for entry-level positions. And so that involves having students work on real-world type projects, real-world scenarios. Sometimes we work with nonprofits so that students actually get the experience of working with a real client.
So we do a lot of case studies to where we teach students that they have to do research. Who is the target audience? Who should the client be marketing to?
I do like the programming aspect of web design. I love things that require logic. When it comes to fixing something in the code, forget the application. Let me just go to the code and fix it. Nowadays, people pretty much want someone who can do it all. So we try to teach our students to be diverse.
They're probably going to excel in one or the other, but they still have enough competency in that other half that they can still do the job. One of the things that we tell our students all the time is, you will always be learning. And it's the nature of this particular industry. It just making sure that they also learn how to learn.
Giving students feedback on their work so that they understand where they missed the mark or how they achieved the mark or how they exceeded the mark, and thinking beyond the box.